download is better. Well, we started now. It's your fault for providing me with this option. Arrows to move, X or S to dash, Z or A to oh god damn it. I pressed, oh god! Okay, we got a dash. We're gonna learn to play as we go. It's go. Oh damn it. Sick animations. That duck looked amazing. Time for second forward, choose time or oh god. This got. Damn. Innocence. Who cares about innocence? I certainly already knew all this. Let me tell you how this like. Well, I've made a pact with the evil, you see. What was that bizarre? Oh my god. I like the weird flashing into crazy realm. That's freaky. It's quite cool. Very clear. I like that. Giant skulls definitely indicate do not stand here. Oh, I'm standing there. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's a small jump. How do I get back to him? Well, that was a way back, I guess. Okay, so the ingredients themselves don't matter. I just need to get 3 things. Oh gosh, okay. That did a thing. Was not quite expecting. Oh gosh, we got a new gun. Oh jeez. Okay, well that is fast. Okay, right, we got Mega Man screen. What looks... Oh, this guy looks cool. Oh gosh, that's quite a weapon this little ship's got. What do I... Oh, what do I do? Okay, there's bullets. We can avoid bullets. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Yeah, no. 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 Ow. No. No. Oh. I was getting there. He were red. Look at that. Progress. Box. Oh, something definitely told me what to do with this box and I didn't hear it, did I? Oh no, okay. Okay, that's a cool little... that's a good little interaction there. Like, where else am I gonna go? I'm gonna come back here, right? So, I need some clarity over when that's gonna happen. Is that, like, just meant to be, like, bare pixel perfect, like, jump buffer jump, or... God damn. It's, like, very close. I'm aware now, because we said that this is not obviously the intended solution. And there is that other box up there and so on. But I want to know if, like, in fact, yeah, you can do that. There's a solution. How did I not think of that? How did I not think of that? God, like, the problem with this is that it looks too attainable the way it is, and there's no reason people might not assume, like, oh, is this just a really difficult jump? And do exactly what I did, because they're, you know, stubborn, like I am. But what you need to do in situations like that is just make it, clearly impossible, you know. How, this bit, significance of this, I don't know, I'm gonna pick this guy. Item, get, border. Sure. Alright, I think I just used a bomb for no reason. Do I not have a shoot? Oh, I do, okay. Tiny ass pixels. Alright. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. It's okay. We got this. We got this. We got this. It's fine. It's fine. We in there. We in there. We're not in there. Yeah, You can't do much about my circle. I'm out of circles. I'm out of circles. Oh no. You get trapped when you go up there. And there's just like a wall behind you. And you can't keep going further. I tried. What was that on Lunatic? I'm sure this is gonna be free. That's the same. Oh, I mean, I died because I sucked, but so. Oh no, okay, some of those like home in. That's the thing. That's okay. It's a bit different. Okay. I see. It's a bit different. I don't know if I'm missing any other controls, by the way, any bombs or anything like that, but I don't feel like I need any other controls. It's just it's good. Dude, this is cool. Put a leaderboard in and ship this. Like, this is sick. Hello everybody. So ever since I did that video showcase of a bunch of different viewer submitted games, people have been asking me if I'll ever do something like that again, whether they could submit their game and have it played. So what I've been doing over the last couple of weeks is live streaming games that people submit to me live in chat during the stream. This is just a handful of the games that I've played on stream. If you want to see your own game played on stream, I do stream every Friday. It's not always necessarily a viewer games live stream, but we stream various Game Maker related stuff on Fridays, and we sometimes do these streams. So if you head over to twitch.tv/SeanJS and give a little follow there, you'll get notified when I go live. We do all kinds of fun Game Maker stuff on those streams. I also just want to give a quick shout out to my Patreon supporters, without whom I couldn't do any of this work or any of these live streams. They're the ones who keep me doing all this cool stuff. And they've also just recently voted that I should work on a new action RPG tutorial series. So it's going to be a while coming, but look forward to that when it shows up. A thank you in particular and in no particular order to the following: Bowser the Dog, BurTT, Daka Dondigo, Eric Matthew Hibbs, Jagust, Jason McMillan, Joseph Wetmore, Kimmo Savalampi, Martin Barasevic, Matt Coate, Michael Ward, Owen Morgan, Patrick Guffey, Relentless Rex, Robert Churches, Rovan Darlin, Run, Stephen Hargan, Wywazka, and Zenan May. Thank you all so much for your support, and thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.